There is an enemy among us. They're hunting us like wolves, and you would never know it now. Whatever's hiding in your closet can creep under your bed and show up in your head. So what the hell can you do when they know every move? Sleepwalking, I'm sleepwalking. I'm tripping through my day. Wake me up and freak me out. Oh, sleepwalking, I'm sleepwalking. Your fingers and their gestures fill my empty head. There is a nightmare that comes to me when the sun is going down. I'm screaming out my lungs, but the shit don't make a sound. Have you ever tried to run, but your feet don't leave the ground? I'll never be ready for it. I'm not ready for sleepwalking. I'm sleepwalking. I'm tripping through my day. Wake me up and freak me out. Oh, sleepwalking. I'm sleepwalking. Your fingers and their gestures fill my empty pleasures. I'm a miracle bending for the soul. Oh, artificial mechanical pose. Oh, I can never just fully let go. Fair play, I'm afraid you got caught in the foolish game. Evidently every sign was warning me. Knock, let me out. You couldn't hear me and you had your doubts. You'll feel all the things you should. Take a breath, cut the lights, hush your mouth and close your eyes. Sleepwalking, I'm sleepwalking. like an emerald just